Yo, what's up? Back with another vid with my brother. Gonna fish this creek. Definitely gonna go up and down it. Hopefully catch trout, maybe smallmouth. And then we're gonna set up a tent right here. Hopefully a catch and cook. That would be really sick. So stay tuned. Probably gonna use night crawlers, maybe some other stuff, lures, flip some rocks, find some other crap to throw on the hook. And yeah, we'll see if we could link up. I think we could. You think we could, Oz?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Oh yeah.
All right, so yeah, stay tuned. We're gonna fish, hang out. My buddy Lars is coming up. You may have seen this spot, and you may have seen Lars and my brother from another video. So if you do like it, don't forget to actually like it and possibly subscribe if you want. But yeah, get right into it. Let's bend the pole. All right, at the creek. Gonna be fishing all over the creek, so only time I'll do any updates is probably if we go to a completely different spot. There's got to be something over here though. Hopefully an edible trout. Under the rock found crawlers are so much more lively and like slimy as shit. Ooh, I got a decent one.
Really?
Yeah, look at him.
Dude.
Not bad.
It's like that's the one I caught. You got a net?
No, but we should be good.
Pretty wild.
Drag ripper. I think he's hooked pretty good.
Yeah.
I'm definitely cooking him.
Yeah?
Yeah. All right. We just got to land this guy. Hopefully he doesn't. About to just drag him right up. Nice.
Slime ball. Dude, that's a beautiful rainbow. He's got hooked.
He got hooked, right?
Yeah.
He inhaled that worm. All right, first troutsy. We're definitely cooking him up, so stay tuned. Freaking Phoebe, dude.
It's not
Frog
his
went for
mouth,
it.
dude. I killed him.
Oh man, he looks like bait now.
Did I just throw him as bait?
Yeah, something might go for him. Dude, just throw him out like that. If there's any like smallmouth over here that are decent, they'll eat them. Dude, something just hit the frog. Dude, it's probably that same smallmouth you caught last time.
Nah, this one's nice, dude.
Smallmouth on a frog.
A little smallie on a frog.
That's great.
Yeah, that's dope. Beautiful fish. They're chilling. This is like a nice size one too, dude.
Yeah, for the creek. Yo, look. Get him back on there.
Buddy.
And the frog came back to shore to get put back on the hook. I'll do it if you don't want him. I'm gonna. Well, you gotta do what you gotta do. Something's got him. Yo. The other one had straight stripes going down. This guy doesn't. Doesn't have stripes going down. The other one did.
What about that one? Outside.
No, no stripes. Dude, that's solid. Two smallmouth right here that are like, they're not like big at all, but it's still like sick. Lars is here.
Where's Pally?
Pally's gone.
Heavy braid.
I got 8-pound and 6-pound if you want that instead. Yeah, that kid Lars, he's a beggar. Yeah, that kid's a bait boocher. Dude, it's so shallow over here now. It was like 60 feet last time. Yeah, we got to switch Lars up. He's got 20-pound braid on an ultralight.
Ooh, this is my first like outdoor event with new boots.
Yeah, they're like, they're getting a workout here. Yeah, so we're not eating the trout now. Settled for the good old chicken quesadilla from Wawa, but Lars is gonna catch trout and then we're gonna eat multiple. Ooh, we got a smallmouth brew too. Sounds good. Yeah, we're catching muskie on night crawlers. Dude, the beaver went hard. He's got a nice house over here. Is that a pally hiding in between there? Yeah. First cast on the crawler, let's see. Got one.
Yeah?
Rainbow.
That's That's another dinner. Dude, that's like, he's long.
Yeah, he's not bad. Pretty guy. Dinsky. Oh my God, first cast on the crawler. Easiest fucking bait to catch fish on. Yeah, Dan's fishing more sporty. I'm just going straight night crawler.
Cricket's here, go.
He hit the cricket?
Like right on.
Lars made me. He bullied me into it. More bait? Oh my God. Ooh. Brownie. Get him in. Cool little brownski. It's like not as highly valued because using night crawlers is just like a brainless thing. Come on, dude, join your buddy. Damn, I haven't put trout on a stringer in like years, dude. Like a decade. What do you think that's from?
Scars?
Yeah. It's got 2 nice scars on him. I wonder what did that. Muskie! You're right. 3 trout deep, all on crawlers. The craziest, sportiest way to catch them. Still exciting. All right, we'll try another night crawler. I mean, if it's working, may as well keep doing it. So I guess we're eating 3 trout for dinner as of now. I didn't even feel that guy hit either. It was just like I started reeling and he was there. Oh, ooh, nice, dude. Ooh, that's a good one. Rainbow. Let's see if we could double up with cricket.
Ooh, air boot. Next off.
Yo, he chased it in, dude. I think it's a trout. He literally chased it in. Rainbow.
Ooh, it's another nice rainbow.
Dude, yeah, he's colorful.
They're getting fat. They're getting like way fatter than they were last time we were here. There he is.
Pretty guy. Dude, he literally chased it in. He like hit it and then I like pulled back and reeled it in and then he friggin' chased. Thanks, dude. Thanks for the minimal drag rep. Yo,
Like smells, man.
we're gonna try and cook these dirty 3 trout. Real ghetto-ish, but Lars might be able to help because he's a big fish filleter. He may not want to participate, so yeah, he's not doing shit.
Picking back and giving orders.
Yeah, we'll just try it out. We'll see how it goes. Keep you updated on how shitty they taste. But yeah, we're gonna put some embers right in this pit, this little pit right here, and then just get the pan right on top. Let it sizzle up and get hot, and then go to town. Let the trout teas cook. Pan's definitely getting really hot. Put a hair more olive oil.
Ooh. That bug spray works wonders.
Did it?
Yeah, nothing.
That's what I like to hear, Dan. Haggard catch and cook.
I told you, bro.
Cold, dude.
He's been dying to catch it.
Yeah, fucking nighttime bite hot.
Yo, I told you.
May as well put them on.
Yeah.
Really?
No,
Show the camera at least.
You'll take a bite? Yeah, that's what I did. Look.
My brother's been like dying to catch an eel, so.
Watch your head.
Ew. But yeah, we're about to eat these trout. Hopefully they're good. Not looking too bad. Not looking too bad.
That's gold. Come on. Happy to a girl. She's pretty and she's close to the world.
You're like right on the camera.
Ooh, good stuff.
Minus the bones, honestly, the flavor's pretty fire. Which I'm happy with. Just from that one little piece, it tastes really good. But we'll see how it goes. We'll see what Lars thinks. If Lars approves, then you know it's a real success.
Come on, I ain't eating that shit.
I'm putting him on the spot.
Are you eating it or no?
Yeah, he's trying it. He's just trying to play hard to get.
Lars is just digging it in. Hey, better eat it if it's falling out. Oh my god.
I'm freaking skinny.
Don't throw it by the tent. Put it in the...
Here, let's try one of these. Dude, the flavor's not bad at all.
You got a...
So yeah, onion salt, some roasted garlic, some lime, and some lemon. Seems pretty fire.
Might not look like the 5-star fish we thought about. The plate up might not be the best.
Oh, the plate up's trash. Dirty trout. Lars approved. Ooh, someone just blew a cork. Nice piece of skin. Pretty good. He's got a strobe light in the back of it. It's Halloween.
This is like Lars's happy.
Show the camera how good you ate, Austin.
Let me get a little bit closer just so you guys can see the detail. Look how good I ate it. Look how good I ate it.
I guess it's a good sign.
All them bones in there.
Pretty cool success. Pretty decent. Makes me happy. The bro and the other bro from another mo enjoyed the trout, so seemed pretty good. We'll do it again.
That was W.A. Wait,